4 Best Carpet Spot Cleaners for Pet Stains. Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner. This spot cleaner has powerful suction in a highly maneuverable machine. If there is clean water left in the tank, you can leave it there until you get back to the task at hand, but it cleans better with hot water. The Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaning Machine is at an affordable price tag. The pet formula Rug Doctor recommends is the 40-ounce bottle. The pet formula works with the Rug Doctor machine, neutralizes urine odors and is non-toxic, so your kids and pets can be back on the carpet or furniture as soon as it dries. This is not much more than the cost of the spray-on Rug Doctor cleaner. The 2 tanks are easy to remove to fill with clean water and empty. This is a necessity, since the tanks are Bissell 1400B Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet. This spot cleaner is designed to pick up the sticky, semi-liquid messes that other spot cleaners don't do well. The Bissell Model 1400B is a good choice if you have to clean up after a cat that likes to mark the carpet with urine, or a puppy that isn't house-trained and leaves poop piles in the corner once in a while. The carpet cleaner is intended for the ugly messes. It cleans up the gutted mouse in the corner the cat ate and lets it to mildew. This is the best carpet spot cleaners for pet stains left by a pet with messy runs due to food allergies. This carpet cleaner uses the standard Bissell carpet cleaner bottles. Hoover FH11300PC Spotless Portable Cleaner. This is one of the best carpet spot cleaners on the market for the average user. It can handle pet stains, not only lifting the material out of short carpet or upholstery, but lets you take apart the dirty water tank after each use to thoroughly scrub it so you don't move the bacteria from the floors to the carpet cleaner. The self-cleaning function helps clean the hoses so you don't have to clean those yourself. The Hoover Spotless Portable Spot Cleaner costs around $100. Yet it is easy to use. You can refill the clean water tank or empty the hot water tank without having to manhandle the entire unit. And it uses the clean water very efficiently, so it doesn't leave your carpet soaked after you. Bissell SpotClean Professional Portable Carpet. The Bissell SpotClean Model 3624 is cheaper than the Rug Doctor Portable Cleaner. It has a highly flexible hose for cleaning stains. It is designed to handle upholstery, stairs, and hard-to-reach corners. This carpet cleaner is lighter than the Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner, even when it is full of cleaning solution and water. It is just 13 pounds. And it has a 22-foot cord, so you can carry it around the house or up the stairs to get all